Hello, people. So I just felt I had to make this short little video. Uh, like the Priyanka Reddy rape case has rocked the country and the city, and just talking about it is making me feel, I don't know, very uneasy, and I don't know, it's almost like I'd want to cry. Yeah, I mean, because so I mean, there is this emergency number that is 112 that any person in help should dial. I mean, it helps to have a video like this because instant recall, and 1090 for women's safety in particular. And with regard to this, I just have to say this, yeah, because I come under this category of people that sometimes in certain situations one feels awkward to ask for help, like if you're stuck somewhere or your vehicle breaks down, you truly believe that you can manage on your own. Because I'm personally also a person like that. I'm like, why trouble someone? Yeah, I can manage. But it's like in that whole deal of trying to get her bike repaired, the lady lost her life. Yeah, I mean, it's, see, I'm getting emotional making this video. But and also now the police has said that they would want you know the victim to be called Disha rather than by her original name, uh, to respect her family. And the but seriously, people, if you all are in need, if anyone is in need of any help, it's important to reach out. It doesn't make us, especially as women. And now, off late, whenever I appear for job interviews, anything, I always say that by 5 in the evening I'd like to leave, because basically the place where I stay is also, it's a bit and as a woman, like as a man, probably it doesn't matter even if it gets dark or whatever. So, but really, people, if anybody is ever in need of something, they should just reach out, and rather than trying to, you know see, speaking about it is getting me emotional. So heartfelt condolences. And that's what, it's something that all other single women on the planet should remember, that there is a big helpful world out there and one should reach out. I can't record further. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.